Hello, my friends, my views. How are you today? Today I'm gonna learn with you how I feel today. I will start by saying, today I'm sad. I feel so sad. Muraho nshuti zanjye, mumeze neza. Njyewe uyu munsi turigana uko ndi kwiyumva muri jye ndumva ndumva ntameze neza, ndumva nishimye. That's why I'm going to start conjugate to be sad, verb to be sad. Verb to be sad means you are not happy. Ni ukuvuga ngo ni igihe uba wumva utishimye, uba wumva utanezerewe. I'm gonna start by saying I am sad. Ndumva nishimye, ndumva mbabaye. I feel sad, ndumva mbabaye. You feel sad, urumva ubabaye. She feel or he feels sad, arumva ababaye. We feel sad, turumva tubabaye. You feel sad, murumva mubabaye. They feel sad, barumva bababaye. So guys, it's better to talk it out and you learn from English the way you are feeling. That's why today I was learning with you the verb to feel sad. Thank you guys. I hope next time I will be feeling very happy. See you next time. Ciao.